Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the build number, and here we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Let's tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of them. So for example, we can manage the apps, we can manage the option to the connected with the background process limit. We can simulate the color space, show view updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animations. We can show surface updates, pointer location, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got also some technical options, I would say, because they are connected with the networking. We've got the Bluetooth, USB, and the Wi-Fi also, so quite a lot of options. And basically it works the same just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on something, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. And if you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this highlighted, maybe not highlighted, but this switcher on this greenish turquoise background. Just tap on it, and as you can see, the options will be inactive. After getting back to the system settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.